A nice bounce here with these two software names. I think for Salesforce, the big focus is on Agentforce, that AI agent platform that continues to gain momentum, as we saw in this quarter, with annual reoccurring revenue jumping to $800 million from $540 in the previous quarter. And over 60% of new bookings are coming from existing customers. Salesforce also introduced a new metric, guys, the agent work unit, to help measure the usage of agents, which Wall Street is cheering right now. Deutsche Bank saying that these are all positives, but does also signal the path to broad-scale monetization, they say, across the company's substantial customer base will likely take some time and unlikely to be linear, adding that this whole thesis around Agentforce remains predicated on patient execution. And guys, that's been one of the key questions this morning. How much more time before Agentforce becomes a bigger contributor to overall sales? In the meantime, that $50 billion buyback, very significant. Several software companies buying back stock in the last couple of weeks: HubSpot, ServiceNow, Dynatrace. But CEO Marc Benioff on the call did get a question on why are you spending so much capital on share repurchases versus using that capital on M&A. Benioff saying we're not using debt effectively. We had some acquisitions in the past like Slack and Tableau that diluted our investors. I think now is the opportunity to take some of that stock back out of the market. Now, Snowflake, the other story this hour, shares are popping by around 4%. The magnitude of the product revenue beat, it was lighter than usual, but the total remaining performance obligations, the backlog of $9.8 billion, that was above the street of $8.9 billion. That was the estimate. And Sridhar Ramaswamy, the CEO, laying out a pretty convincing approach on how Snowflake is using AI to strengthen its service of warehousing and analyzing complex data for big customers, and why they don't see the hyperscalers as a big competitive threat, guys.